Today, I'm becoming the brand new defense attorney character in Jujutsu Shenanigans, where we're going to have a very serious court trial. All right, I'm here. I'm here for the case. Sorry, Judge Max, finally present.
Not your whole party. Where is your defendant?
There was traffic coming up Main Street, and he should be here any second. Let me just...
This court, why are you going to be late? What?
Oh, my lord. Give me 1 second to speak to my defendant, please, Your Honor.
Allow it.
One moment.
I punched him on the way here.
What are you wearing? Stop saying that. Stop saying. You are literally wearing a clown costume.
Yeah?
You know how hard it is to be a defendant in this city? We got sorcerer, a lawyer. There's sorcerers running all over the place, and cursed spirits and people killing each other, and I gotta defend you.
Yeah, but I did whatever it was.
No, stop. We're not gonna speak like that, okay? You didn't do it. In fact, you're not gonna speak too much at all. Okay, I'm your lawyer. Just let me do a lot of the talking, okay? And I got this.
Yeah.
I got this. Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're ready for the court proceedings to begin.
All right, all rise. Let me just get my papers and
Right
stuff.
here.
And
Yep. All set.
I am risen.
I'm risen.
Right.
Yep.
Why is
I
everyone
too am risen.
Standing. Stop standing. You're all just
I
staring.
pledge allegiance
Sit
to-
down.
Yeah.
Sit down. What are you doing?
Okay,
Why are you not
Okay. We're sat.
I need order in the court.
We're sat down. All right.
Who told you to stand?
I'll get a cheeseburger, please.
Oh, I did.
Okay. Well, Your Honor, go ahead.
All right. Today, we are here to discuss whatever issue it is you have. Can the plaintiff please step forward and state your case?
That would be me, Ashley.
Yup.
And I say that guy murdered my favorite chef at my favorite cafe. He made my eggs Benedict perfectly. Do you know how hard it is to get a good chef that makes eggs Benedict correctly?
I killed him.
Basically next to impossible. And you're saying he murdered this man?
Stop saying that. Your Honor, I object. That's a boundless claim. And there is no proper evidence against my client here.
Do you have
really?
any evidence?
I mean, I saw him there that day with the chef, and then there was no chef the next day. He went into the back.
Okay, look, that's called hearsay. Okay, like she's just stating her own POV and opinion. So I got this. Watch this.
Yep.
Your Honor, permission to cross-examine the plaintiff.
I'll allow it.
Got it.
State your
Okay.
case.
All right. Well, Ashley, so you claim to this court here that you saw my client here, the cursed spirit Brock, enter into a restaurant with your friend / chef / whatever, and then all of a sudden you went in there and the chef was gone. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Well, how would you know whether or not the chef was actually murdered? What if he's still alive right now and simply on a vacation in Cabo?
He's dead.
I don't
We're making
believe
it
it.
so difficult, man. You've got to stop, okay?
You
You want to go to jail? They kill you there, dude.
But I already did it.
No, stop. You didn't do anything. If you would just
Did
relax. Nothing, Your Honor. Your Honor, sorry.
Guilty.
There's a lot of whispering going on the side of the
My
courtroom.
client, he simply hit his head on the way here. There was a horrific car accident in the middle of Shibuya.
Oh, sure.
Sakuna was crossing the street. Gojo came out there. Car got hit with the
Hakuna
Infinity.
Matata.
You know, and
Excuses.
it got shut down. Toyota Camry, dead, pieces. So, look, I'll continue my cross-examination. How do you know whether the chef is actually dead?
Well, okay, so I saw that guy go into the back, into the kitchen, and then he
True.
emerged with blood stains on his jacket. And then the cook did not come back the next day.
Huh. Bloodstains, you say, huh? How can you be certain
Yeah.
that they're bloodstains without a proper DNA examination? How do we know that the shirt you're wearing right now isn't stained with blood?
What? The shirt is always red, and so is my hair.
And so is my defendant's suit.
This
Oh,
is
yeah.
wrong.
Dude, Your Honor, could we get like a 5-minute recess real quick?
Yeah, recess! Recess!
What?
boy.
Go get
Oh
your
my
defendant.
goodness.
I will get him. One moment, Your Honor.
Go.
One moment, Your Honor. Okay. Hey, you big idiot. Come here. Come here. Stop. Okay.
Oh,
Listen.
oh, not
listen.
Dad.
I am so
Yeah.
tired of you cannot keep saying I did it and
But I
and-
did.
Okay, it doesn't matter if you did. It's my job as a lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay, you,
Yeah.
you came to the Jayoma law firm. All right, it's my job to make sure
Yeah.
that you are gonna get off. Okay, and not go to jail. You're making that very difficult though. Every time you admit that you did it in court.
Yeah, but I did.
Okay, they don't have proof that you actually did. Okay.
But I'm right there, and he's not. He's dead.
Okay, that doesn't matter though. Anybody could have killed him. Anybody could be responsible for that. Okay, don't you understand?
Okay.
Okay. All right, when we go back in there, like I said, don't
Yeah.
talk. Okay? All right. Okay. We're just going to go
I
back
won't
in there,
talk.
and it's going to be all fine and dandy, all right?
Yep,
All fine
yep.
and dandy. Okay. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
Filthy.
My client, he's just he's got a syndrome. It just makes him say things sometimes that he doesn't mean to say. It's not his fault. It's completely out of his control.
Oh, sure.
Hey, well then in that case, you know what? How about this? Instead, let's give him a chance. Let's hear from your defendant.
Oh boy. Okay, Your Honor, permission
Yeah,
to...
let your defendant speak.
Yeah, permission to cross-examine and defend my defendant. My client.
It's granted.
Got it.
I'll allow it.
Okay.
Very good.
So, Mr. Brock, the cursed spirit, could you
Yeah.
please state to the court what your cursed powers are?
Murder.
Okay, no. Are you certain that your powers are murder?
Yup. Chef, go bye-bye.
Wait, no, that cannot be a power, could it? Couldn't it? That couldn't be the power that you have.
No.
Ah, see that? So what is your actual power?
My strength to overcome you fighting and you die.
Okay, see, so he is a professional fighter, perhaps a boxer or a UFC combat sports specialist and whatnot. So, Cursed Spirit Brock, what I'd like to know is, where were you on the night of June 17th?
Restaurant with the chef. Back room. Murder.
Okay. Are you certain? Are you 100% certain that it is June 17th you are referencing? And not
I
perhaps...
pledge
He did it.
allegiance.
He did it. He did it.
Hey,
he
hey,
did
hey,
it.
hey, hold on. She can't just talk. Objection. She's interrupting the cross-examination.
Order in the courtroom.
Fine. Fine.
A word, if I may.
Sure, Judge. Permission to approach the stand.
Yes, just come
Got
over
it.
here for a second.
Okay. Hey,
Does your defendant know where he is right now?
I don't think he even knows, like what he had for breakfast this morning. This guy has lost it. Okay, he is a nutcase, an absolute nutcase. But it doesn't make him a murderer, okay? It just makes him very, very interesting. That's all, right? See, look at him. Look at him. He's a
I'm
friendly,
doing the gritty.
chill guy. Chill guy who just gritties on top of
Listen.
tables.
Listen, off the record, off the books,
Yeah,
just you and me.
yeah,
You might want to plead insanity.
yeah. I'm. This
might
case
be your
is,
best option.
Yeah, this case is really.
Because right now
busy.
he's getting 30 to life. So
Okay, got it.
Ooh.
Got it.
Yeah,
Got it.
just-
Got it.
Two,
off the record
three,
though.
Got it.
Off the record.
four.
You didn't hear.
Kill some
All right.
more.
Okay, all right, Your Honor,
Yeah.
I'm ready to defend my client. Got it.
All right.
Okay, so a few further questions for you, Cursed Spirit Brock. Would you label yourself as potentially crazy and/or a little bit off your rocker?
Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room with rats.
So you've been committed to an insane asylum before. That's what you're saying.
No.
But you were locked in a room, a rubber room full of rats?
Yup.
So would this imply that at one point in time you were kidnapped, perhaps?
There's a kidnapper here.
No, there's not. Hey, calm down. Judging by my client's clearly traumatic response, I do believe that the court could make the inference that
Whoa.
he had a traumatic event occurred that clearly
Stay
has
on your side.
messed with his mentality, right? So if I were to describe somebody that was acting very, very off and very abnormal, what words do you think I would use, Brock? Okay, those are not words. Those are not words. As you can see, Your Honor, I believe that my client is very clearly insane and therefore cannot be faulted and guilty for the murder. Nope. Nope. We're not going to say that again. Nope. The word is innocent.
He said he was guilty.
Okay.
He just said he was guilty with his own
Order.
Objection.
Order.
Can I get a number 2?
Hey,
No,
what are you
number-
doing?
Okay,
cannot
sorry.
cross that line. Okay, that's
Order in the courtroom.
got it, Your Honor. Apologies, Your
Ashley.
Honor.
Simon didn't say.
Do you have, Ashley?
Yes.
Do you have anything?
Ooh.
Any hard evidence? Anything at all?
Are
Do you have video? Do you have footage, camera footage of anything? Do you have like a murder weapon? Do you have like an alibi that could, because how do we know it's not you?
What? Of course it wasn't me.
You've
I was
been
eating
awfully
at my
quiet this
dining.
entire time.
Oh, well, of course I was quiet. You kept saying order in the court, not letting me talk.
Your Honor, I'd argue that
No,
she is
I-
being a hostile witness right now. She's
No, I'm
getting
not.
real hostile with you.
I am now allowing you a chance to speak because you have been awfully quiet this entire time.
Murder.
And I want to give you more of a chance to see your side of the story. I'm just trying to explore all the options here. I'm trying to see everything that, every which way that this could go.
Okay.
Do you agree
well,
with the insanity plea, or do you see things differently?
I mean, he is pretty
I'm pretty.
out there. But I have video evidence of him going into the kitchen and going into the back room.
Wait, hold on, Your Honor. Objection. She is not allowed to introduce evidence not shown during the discovery phase of this court trial. So that's like ambushing the defense or something. That can't.
Yup.
Is that allowed?
What?
That can't be allowed, right?
Yup.
It's been cleared? I think it's been cleared. Yeah, nope, she did it. She got it cleared earlier, right? Yep, nope.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
telling me in my ears that she was cleared earlier. So
Yeah.
we'll take a look
Yeah,
at
dude.
it. We'll take a look at it.
They're gonna send you to
I'm
jail.
not. No, I'm fine. Don't worry.
Watch the footage.
Murder.
Oh wow. Yep.
They got you in 4K, bro.
Okay.
4K.
Yeah. Wow.
Digital streaming. It's
Okay.
on all platforms.
No,
all right.
Fine. I'll be having a Netflix series.
Yeah, you definitely
Defendant.
get a Netflix documentary series after this is over.
Defendant, is there anything you have to say for yourself? Anything at all? Anything you might want to plea?
Don't mess this up.
Guilty.
You have one
Guilty.
opportunity.
Anything
Don't
you
mess
would like
this
to,
up.
how would you like to please?
Say guilty. Say guilty.
Oh,
What the? Your Honor,
what?
my
in
my
the-
client just died.
He could have just pled insanity.
My client is literally dead.
Well,
Wait,
I'm back with the murder weapon.
What? Why would you bring that with you?
Can I get security in here?
Your Honor.
Guilty. Guilty.
Your Honor,
Guilty.
hold on. I can explain all of this
I did
easily. So,
I'd like to see you try. Go ahead.
Firstly, let's start by asking a question. Ashley, do you or do
Yeah.
you not have sorcerer powers?
Sorcerer powers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have sorcerer powers, see?
Hey, you're attacking my client. That's not allowed. You can't hit him.
Ow, ow,
Okay.
I didn't mean to.
All right, well, don't do it again.
Okay.
Look, right there, this proves she has sorcerer powers. Now, Your Honor, would you or would you not say that the word sorcery is synonymous with the word magic, right?
Harry Potter.
Yeah, agree.
Right? Okay, yeah, there we go. So magic, right? So, how
Okay.
does the plaintiff here, Ashley, get 4K footage of a restaurant that she does not own, does not have a percentage stake interest in, of my client supposedly, allegedly killing
Yeah.
this chef who she was the only other person in the restaurant to be at. Who goes to a restaurant where nobody else is eating there? I can understand my client doing that. He is clearly insane. But what I can't understand is Ashley just showing up magically at the same time that my client is there. Is it not perhaps believable that Ashley simply coerced my client into committing a treacherous act and or controlled him, knowing that he is out of his mind mentally?
I mean, she's a plankton, right? So she probably like came in through like
Plaintiff.
the water taps or something.
Plankton?
Yeah, that's what I said, plankton.
SpongeBob?
You know, like the water,
Up,
like
up,
plankton.
up.
No,
Oh,
plankton.
plankton.
Plaintiff, not plankton. Those are two. This is a different thing.
Well, I know what I'm talking about. I'm the judge here.
You're right.
I
You're right.
know what I'm
You're
talking
right. Your
Yeah,
Honor.
don't question
Yeah.
the judge. I'm
Yeah,
a
Your Honor.
plankton.
My bad. My bad.
Plankton,
My fault, OG.
not planktiff. There we go. Planktiff. There we go. I can just read that. in
And
my
that's
notes.
just the
Okay,
one,
anyway.
huh? Okay.
Well, you do bring up a very good point. Plankton, would you like to planetation? Would you like to have a word in response to that? I'm a judge. I know what I'm doing.
I was there at the restaurant because it was in the morning, so of course I'm gonna be there for Eggs Benedict because it was my breakfast. Why would I kill my favorite chef and not be able to eat perfect Eggs Benedict anymore? It doesn't make sense.
Your Honor, may I bring forth the receipt of Ashley's restaurant purchase?
Yeah.
Yes.
As you can see here, on that special day, Ashley didn't even order the Eggs Benedict.
What? I didn't? What did I order?
She got a side of pancakes and an orange juice.
Nothing.
And do you know what orange juice stands for? OJ.
He did it too.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
OJ did do it, probably, allegedly.
Yep.
One
So-
thing you got right this entire
He's my
time.
teacher.
So,
What?
you know, OJ, she was dropping hints the entire time. In truth,
Nuh-uh.
this plantation plaintiff, is
Yup.
actually a mass murdering serial killer sorcerer. Who's evil? W. See that? Dunking on him. Just bow, bow, bow. Easy.
Wow.
Oh, that is ridiculous.
Idea.
Yeah.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Brain
Yes,
blast.
Your Honor.
We're gonna settle this the old school way because you're both bringing up some very, very tempting good points.
Yup.
And what
Follow.
would that be, Your Honor?
Follow.
Understood.
Okay.
All
I'm
right.
listening.
All right. You go back there.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
You-
Yep.
Go
Uh-huh.
back
Understood,
there.
Your Honor.
Yep.
Back there.
Not you. Not you.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
You can just. Do you like lollipops? Do you want a lollipop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Don't
go
get too
take
close
this
to
and
me,
go
Your
hide
Honor.
behind the tree. Hide behind the tree. Just go hide.
Okay.
Yeah, just go. There you
All
go.
right.
Okay. We're gonna fight this out old school style. Street fight.
Got it. Understood, Your Honor.
street
One
fight.
moment. Just give me one
This
moment
is-
to talk to my client. Got this. All right, buddy. Don't you worry. Like I told you, the Gioma law firm has never lost. We always get the worst of villains off and make sure that they never go to jail. So,
I
trust me in
can't
my
wait.
combat skills. I'm not just a
Yeah.
lawyer. I'm also a sorcerer.
I am gonna do it again.
Okay, well, let's not scream that out in public, right?
Okay. You want part of the lollipop?
No, I'm good. If you could just do me a favor and chill right here and just watch my magic at work. And don't breathe my direction. That is insane breath you have. Okay, Your Honor, I'm ready.
All right. Now, just before we get started, I do just want to say that this is a sanctioned fight. This means, as a judge, I give the both of you permission to cause whatever damage you want to each other, so long as it does not involve murder, which is the thing we are trying to deal with right now with that guy.
Got it. All right, are you ready to
You may
say
use
Uncle
any
Ashley?
weapons or skills that you would like, and you may destroy any and all property that you would like. The government will pay for it through taxpayers'
Okay,
dollars. We don't need to talk
okay.
about that.
You ready to catch these
And,
legal hands?
I will be a referee.
I went to Harvard for
catching
8
my
years.
hands.
I've got a lot of pent-up angry in me. And I'm
Oh, yeah?
$450,000 in debt. So I'll happily
Oh,
take that
that's
out on you.
that's a shame.
Yeah, my life is in shambles. And this guy's definitely not
Right.
going to pay me.
Listen here. I
Nope.
want a nice clean fight, okay?
All right, understood, Your Honor.
Understood?
Understood.
Break.
All right, here we go. Ha! Dodged. See that? That's the power of a real defense attorney. A real lawyer knows how to defend its clients.
No,
Not just in the courtroom, but outside the courtroom too. I am untouchable. Me holding this judge's gavel makes me more powerful than any sorcerer around. There's nothing
Where
you
my
can
gavel
do.
went?
Well,
You
yes.
had my gavel this entire
You
time.
let me borrow it. You never said I had to bring it back. Ah! Ah!
Now, do just remember what I said about, the whole murder
Oh,
thing.
you're right.
Not
You're
allowed
right.
to do that part.
You should say uncle, otherwise I'll end up killing you.
Uncle?
I guess Uncle.
All right. Solid. Giant W. Your Honor, I believe that means that I win the case and my defendant gets to go off free, which is probably a disservice to society as a whole.
Yup.
Do we wanna just tell him that we went with the insanity case?
Uh,
It'll be nice there. He'll have 3 meals a day and roof
I think if
over
we
his
don't
head
put him in an
and
insane asylum, he's definitely
shackles
going
around
to
his
do it again.
arms.
Sorry
Yeah.
about your chef, by the way.
everyone.
Definitely
Thanks.
reject
You
it.
know, there's an opening at the cafe if you need to pay off your debt.
Yeah, I might have to get a chef job because his lawyer stuff is just not working. I'm really just letting out felons. All right.
You know how to make eggs Benedict.
Nope, but I know how to burn some eggs. All right, buddy. Listen.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Got you off
Yeah.
the case. You are officially
Yeah.
almost free. We pled insanity, so they're just gonna lock you up in a nice little rubber room,
I'm
And-
free.
and you'll be
I'm
all right. No,
murderer.
you're not. You're not.
I'm gonna go and do it again.
Your Honor.
Oh dear. We're doomed.
I didn't see anything. I'm too tired.
Oh boy. Well, I'm a lawyer, not a cop, so that's officially not my problem. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe.